SOPA stock analysis and SOPA stock predictions. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade. I am the only guy in this stock trading space with 40,000 videos made. I'm telling you this not just to brag, but it's just because it's the truth. You know, it's taken me 5 years to come to this point, and I had a bearish idea beforehand, and I'm not going to sit here and lie. Clearly, I said if I see a double break, I'm willing to take things down. First break, let's say, happened. Second break, never had a chance. Never. Actually failed and just started picking up. So all here to say is that I'm just going to get rid of all this. There's a 4-hour chart here. Yeah, I like that. You see the broke structure up here very nicely. I'll prefer to be on the right side of the market currently. I mean, there's not right or wrong, it's just what you prefer. And what has shown to work most importantly. I know that if I stick to my trading strategy and rules and edge, I know I'll be fine and okay, because I've refined it for 4 years and my data shows that it's working, right? And I've seen it on my first hand, you know, the real money. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading without indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.